Today we're making a tangy cottage cheese dip, a clean, high-protein dip built entirely from real ingredients. Simple to prepare, versatile, and perfect for vegetables, canapés, wraps, or as a base for other flavors. Cottage cheese dips have been around for generations, but they're making a comeback because they're nutritious, easy, and incredibly adaptable. This version adds a bright tang and smooth texture without any fillers or processed thickeners. The history of cottage cheese dip goes all the way back to Depression-era frugality and wartime food guidance. Cottage cheese was promoted as an economical, high-protein alternative to meat, and savory dips became popular in the mid-20th century as quick replacement for sour cream-based dips. This recipe keeps that tradition alive, simple, wholesome, and made with ingredients you already have at home. Here's your mise en place. Cottage cheese, red wine vinegar, olive oil, grated orange rind, minced garlic, chopped scallions, and black pepper. Clean, fresh ingredients, nothing engineered, nothing artificial. Place all ingredients into a blender or food processor. Blend until smooth. Refrigerate until needed. That's it. Real ingredients, real flavor, and no industrial starches or chemical thickeners like you find in many store-bought dips. This dip is a foundation for countless variations. Serve with cranberry sauce for a sweet, tangy contrast. Use it as a base for canapés. Or mix in taco seasoning for a Mexican-inspired version. Once you have the base, the possibilities are endless. If you want to take the next step, make your own cranberry sauce, just 3 ingredients, 2 of which you already have in your kitchen. Watch for our upcoming clip on homemade cranberry sauce. And if you're reading labels on store-bought sauces, take a moment to look closely. Many rely on industrial starches and engineered additives. Making your own keeps things simple, clean, and real. Thanks for watching. We hope you're enjoying our videos. Real food, real ingredients, real flavor. Now, go cook. Be adventurous and make your own style. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more clean, real ingredient recipes from Wild Taste Infusion Elite.